When dogs and cheetahs are friends, it is more than a human-centric projection of anthropomorphized tranquility or a beautifully harmonious and unexpected kinship of two predators living, laughing, and loving together. As an oddity in the cat kingdom, the cheetah is a social animal and can pick up on cues from other animals. It will be calm when familiar animals around it are calm, or it can be anxious when other animals are anxious. As pack animals, this is not dissimilar to dogs and in fact significant to their survival. However, dogs have an extra special ability. They are able to be comfortable in most social environments. And so begins the two animals' journey together. The cheetah is able to pick up cues from the dog and is calmer when it might be more anxious, and that is the foundation for their friendship. This is certainly adorable. We love when animals exhibit behaviors we exhibit. However, some questions do arise. Because how come this does not occur in the wild? Why are there not cheetahs and dogs roaming the world together? One would guess that this is because there are not a lot of dogs around where cheetahs live. Regionally, the hyena is the only animal that is a close relative to the dog, and hyenas are fighting for the same resources as cheetahs, and in some cases fighting the cheetahs. Domestically, or human domesticity, which is a form of subjugation on animals. If they are not killed for food or sport, they are carefully corralled. This dog-cheetah arrangement is only for rescue cheetahs. It is a way to socialize them and calm them. The dogs are a support animal to a non-human animal. Dogs and cheetahs are also a metaphor that humans can extrapolate from their relationship and apply to interpersonal human relationships. In human-to-human partnerships, one member is the dog and one is the cheetah. This dynamic is fluid and often bounces around depending on the situation. Sometimes you are the cheetah and sometimes you are the dog. Both very important roles to perform. What does it mean? What does it mean to identify a habit in an animal and attribute that habit to a relationship? Are we now talking about these animals in a post-colonial dialogue? What are we if not animals? Would this not imply that there is a hierarchy? It is fairly obvious that we, as humans, have established ourselves at the top. But should we not question this? What about other animals that establish bonds between each other? The internet has made adorably clear that it is possible. Cats and dogs can mother ducklings. Rabbits and dogs can be solid friends. Llamas and horses are unexpected buddies, and this is just the tip. There are plenty of very cute videos exempling the unique bonds between a large variety animals species. Or perhaps it is not about the animals collectively but about the human animal individually. The one consistent this whole mathematical equation is humans. Humans put the dog and the cheetah together. Humans took the footage of them. Humans created the place where they live. And humans set up the parameters for their existence together. As established before, they would not get together on their own. And of course, dogs would not exist if it was not for humans. Cheetahs would, though. Is the dog the lesser because of this? How does the dog feel knowing that it is so far removed from its ancestral origins? Perhaps they would not care, rolling their eyes and slowly responding, exhaling slowly as if blowing smoke from a recently inhaled cigarette. Everything has changed, and everything will change. That's how it works. That's how it has always worked. Does that mean they were meant for each other, but like Romeo and Juliet were destined to roam the earth without sparking a friendship as pure as this? Do they know that they are perfect for each other? Or is it an illusion? The dog thinks it is another dog and the cheetah just thinks it is a funny looking cheetah. That might be the trick. They are not peanut butter and jelly, French fries and ketchup, bacon and eggs, earth and sky. They are just themselves. Lacan tells us that we are all detached from ourselves, never truly able to square what we look like in the reflection of who we are inside. But there is no mirror stage for dogs and cheetahs, and they will never discover themselves in the projection as they see themselves. And yet that does not matter. These two animals are able to move past that superfluous visual encounter into something else, into some sort of paradoxical new, something that is only visual and haptic. They have a kinship for themselves and that is enough. Should that not be enough for us?